Have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I just stuck? I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams.
We'll talk.
Great presentation. So my question is, I can see that obviously it works when both of you are in the same place. Does it also work when one person is here, for example, and another person is in a different location?
Should I use this mic? Yeah, it can work on different user locations. We're currently developing a prototype of this capability. Currently, the software works on the user's computer. No internet connection is required, although the software can be played over the internet. The air hockey game you just saw earlier, we're working on a version right now which can work on remote locations between two users. Yeah.
Well, that was certainly the best presentation without any words at all. Congratulations, that was terrific.
Thank you.
What do you do about multiple buttons? I mean, I was watching the interface. It looked like, you have a radius, you've got a circle thing that gets bigger and smaller, so you can drive an additional dimension, and then of course with the cans, you were able to go up and down, left and right. what about, games that actually use multiple buttons or, additional interface elements? What else have you guys built?
Okay. First of all, our ability is to track 4 objects simultaneously. For each object, we can extract X, Y, Z location and angle. Besides that, we have a mechanism to detect user events, such as shakes, meaning you can define that a certain shake event to a certain direction triggers an action in the game. By the way, we can also integrate with existing games by emulating existing input devices, such as mouse, keyboard, and joystick. Besides that, we have a button solution. As you saw in the beginning, I was going through the games, and there's like sliders that you can just select items. There's a button when you just touch a place in the screen that triggers an event. And we have a few more in development.
So 2 other quick questions. One is, how do you deal with backgrounds that move? Is that a problem or is that no problem?
Okay.
Like if there are people walking around behind me.
There was a second question?
Oh, and the second question is, so you could, I was thinking about sort of the gloves in Minority Report.
Okay.
How are you guys, like the ability to use 5 fingers or, those kinds of capabilities?
Okay. Regarding the first question, our approach is we solve this problem 2 ways. One way is a conventional technology of background elimination. Things that are static are less likely to be part of something that you want to track. That's one aspect of the algorithms we're using. Another aspect is characteristics of the specific object, meaning color, size, a whole histogram of colors that are built into the same object. And there are a lot, of course, a few more secret sauce ingredients.